Welcome to my channel. I am Burn Beauty 2018, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, like, follow, share. This community has been lifting me up, and I just love it. I feel so much better on here than I do on my other platforms. It's just a happier, more positive place to be, where I feel like I'm truly reaching out to help people that need to know how to do some of the things I do with my particular set of circumstances. Today is wash day. I delayed it just so that I could wait for my new products from JustHuman. This is my first time trying this brand. They gifted me some products and I'm already obsessed. This is a growth fortifying hair oil powered by Neurocosmetics, and I put too much, okay? My hair has been itchy. I just wanted to put this on my scalp, but I don't think I needed this much. My hair is soft and it's aromatherapy. It just smells so good. And the way you use it is by massaging it into your scalp and then onto your hair, and then leaving it on all night and washing your hair in the morning. So I've had, my satin cap on all night. I put this on. You can see all the little herbs and things in the oil. This is great. I mean, it's amazing stuff. Next, I am going to hop in the shower and use their revitalizing body wash for the first time. I'm excited about anything that can help smooth my skin grafts. Y'all forgive me if I'm dirty. I've been washing my dog. Powered by Neurocosmetics, JustHuman Revitalizing Body Wash. So I'm going to hop in the shower with this, and of course my Fenty hair that I've been using. And because I'm going to use self-tanner for the first time, this will be the next video, okay? So I'm going to use self-tanner for the first time to try to even out my hyperpigmentation and hypopigmentation. And it says to exfoliate first. So JustHuman sent me a coffee caramel body scrub and tighter and brighter skin. Natural and toxic-free ingredients, pH balance, cruelty-free, free from sulfates, parabens, toxic chemicals. Sounds great. Ooh, I look a mess. I had to wash Grady first because I knew I had to let the self-tanner set for hours, so I had to get Grady's little bath out of the way. Grady's my big puppy dog. He's my emotional support animal. Definitely smells like a caramel macchiato. And it takes so long to wash my hair, but I'll be back. Y'all, that was one of the best showers I have ever taken. I mean, the smell of the coffee. Oh, if you do this in the morning, I don't even drink coffee anymore. After I woke up from my coma, I never drank coffee or wine again, and I used to be a smoker and I never smoked again. It was just an amazing exfoliant. And then I did use the shower gel. I feel so soft. My scalp feels really good. I'm just gonna leave my hair like this because it needs to get dry, and I am who I am. So here's the micro shots, which is a peptide, and obviously making a play on all the fillers people get these days. Right there it comes. Look right there. It doesn't smell perfumed. It just smells good. Definitely very hydrating. I would never, ever, ever leave out these scars on my chest. I didn't take care of them when I was healing. For the past 5 years, I didn't do the same treatment on my chest, and my face used to look just like this. This texture is just a skin graft texture. So I wish I had gone ahead and done it, but doesn't matter. I can do it now. This is the last thing JustHuman sent me, and Virgin Hair Growth Serum. It contains a first of its kind, 100% natural, plant-based ingredient from Japan called Virgin, B-U-R-G-E-O-N, Up Stem Extract. It is clinically tested to revive lost hair, increase length, and drastically improve the quality of hair strands. Apply twice a day for best results. Let me just stop. My dog needs something. I'll be back. I'm so close to the camera because I haven't gotten completely dressed, and I'm doing that thing like like a news anchor. Maybe they're wearing pants under the desk and maybe they're not. So we're real up close and personal right now. Oh, it feels good. Hardly any scent. Oh, it feels really good on my scalp. This feels so good. I just need to treat my scalp. I take such good care of my facial skin. And of course, I'm starting to take really good care of my skin on my body. These products are everything today. This is my first time using them. These are products I would 100% buy. They were gifted, but I will buy more. They are amazing. And you have to remember that when we're treating our face and anti-aging, that we need to treat our bodies and our scalp. You know, our scalp is the same age as everything else. Mine is getting dry and just irritated, and it just needs a lot more attention than it used to. So these oils by JustHuman are great. I use Paula's Choice Weightless Body Treatment with 2% BHA and salicylic acid and antioxidants. My skin grafts are super tight. They feel tight, right? And this just gives me so much relief and so much moisture. So I definitely recommend the Paula's Choice. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm just gonna finish my hair and walk my dog today. But I feel really rejuvenated and really relaxed. And I hope you all do too. And next time, I'm going to be doing a self-tanner because I want to even up my skin tone, especially on my legs. I love y'all. Remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass.